Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how long you have played a game in hours on your PlayStation 5. Otherwise you can see like the total time that you played any kind of game. So on the home screen, if you just simply go over the game and then you look in the bottom right side, it'll tell you how long you played. So right over here it says 1 hour played, and this is your total time spent playing the game. So Bloodborne, I played 1 hour. I kind of sucked at the game. I died a lot. Here's Call of Duty. This one I have played 661 hours. I think that's a lot. Now you can see like a list if we go up to our profile and then go to profile right here. Then we want to go to games and we can see how long we played each game under here. So if you look by the trophies under that, it says hours played. So like that's Grand Theft Auto. I played that 608 hours. But you can go to sort by and go to most played. Let's look at the most played. Is Modern Warfare 2,218, and Call of Duty Black Ops 4, great Call of Duty, 1,186, Elder Scrolls Online, 965, Fortnite, 719. So those are my most played games. Battlefield 4 was a really good Battlefield, 370. Destiny, the original Destiny was okay. PlanetSide 2, 217 hours. That's a lot actually for how bad that game was on the PS4. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos. Coming up next on YourSixTech.